Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today, just to show you some of the features that this Jeep has to offer. So coming around towards the back here, you can see the unit is equipped with your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your hitch tow hook equipped back there as well. Backup cameras you can see there, so a lot of great features on the back of the Jeep right there. In the cargo area, you can see there is a decent amount of room back there to kind of store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. That second row seating also does fold down when not needed to give you a little bit more cargo space as well. You do have your power liftgate. Now the Jeep Cherokee also offers great 4x4 capabilities, so it's a great everyday vehicle and also gives you that extra handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside. So the Cherokee itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can see in that back seat there is a decent amount of space back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. These seats are a leather seat, so again offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top you do have your dual pane sunroof. And just to quickly check out some of the features up front here, so you can see your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in here as well. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls as well, your heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to just some of the apps that are included in through there, navigation, of course your Bluetooth options, and the settings as well. Just below that you can see that you do have your lane departure warning, so you can toggle that on and off right there. Below that, again, access to your basic audio media controls, climate controls as well. In through your center console area, you do have your media ports in through there, your select terrain options. You also do have your push button start, so you have keyless entry as well, your key fob for the unit here, remote start's equipped, great feature that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options. You have adaptive cruise control equipped as well. Your Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side, and behind the steering wheel access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk has tons of features packed into it, great everyday vehicle. So if you're looking for something with that versatility, this could be the unit for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.